this video, I want to show you how to reset your website on your Hostinger back end. So I'm going to come to my website, and then I want to come to subdomains. First of all, let me come to websites, auto installer. So I just installed WordPress on this subdomain. You can see it's just the default WordPress installation. This is what I want to reset. And if I come to the back end of this website, I'm going to come to the back end. Let me close out here. If I come to the back end of this website, I'll go to manage, and then I can go to admin panel. Admin panel. It's loading. So this is the back end of the website. Let me come to media. There's nothing there. But if I come to plugins, you see we have this. And if I come to themes, you see we have this. So it is always advisable that if you want to back up or to reset your website, it's always advisable to back up all your files. Now, there are other tutorials on the internet on how to back up your website before resetting it. So maybe you discovered that your website is bloating and all that. You could back up your website so that you could reset it and then re-upload all your website files. So let's come now on your back end. So this is where we are. You want to come to files, and come to file manager. Now, this is the main domain. This is the main domain of my hosting. So I'm going to click on it. It brings me to this other page. I want to click on this public HTML, double click on it. Now, I have a number of other subdomains there, as you saw on this back end. If I go back to auto installer, you see I have dev.donodio.com, I have health.donodio.com, I have roofer.donodio.com, and newdomain.donodio.com. These are all of them. You see dev, health, roofer, even Soledad. So I don't want to delete those other ones. I only want to delete new domain. You see what we are deleting is new domain, newdomain.donodio.com. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on new domain, and I'm going to right click and now delete. It says keep trash. Yes, I'm going to say yes. Now I've deleted the files, but I want to come to the database. I'll come to the database and go to management. I want to delete the database. Now this is going to be it, this latest one here, which this is the latest one I created just for this tutorial, and that was a few minutes ago. So I'm going to right click here and click on delete. I'll confirm and delete database. So now if I come here and I try to reload this website, you see it's giving me this error. So what do I have to do now? I'm going to have to come back to the domain name and install WordPress on it afresh. So what I need to do is to come back to subdomains, and you see I still have this subdomain here, and I'll now come to auto installer, and I want to select that subdomain in order to install WordPress on it. So first thing I want to do is to make sure I have the right installation path. I will come back here and look for new domain. Here it is, and then I'll give it, let me just say, give it an email address, and I'll say new domain. As I had it, you can choose any password you like, and then you can create your database, give your database a password if you like. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'll go to next, and then I'll just go to next. Let me close this, and it says it has an installation. Okay, yes, I'll override that. I'm good. New domain. I'll override that. It's loading. So it has installed, and it has brought me to this dashboard. I will just go now to the website admin, and it's redirecting me to the website. I can close these other pages. So you see, we have now come here and we have the same thing. if you had backed up your website, you can use some plugins to reinstall everything, to re-upload it to your website. So that is how to reset your website on Hostinger dashboard. If you got any value out of this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. God bless you. Peace.